out, goddamn!
Yeah, boys, look, cold morning start real quick, man. Y'all can hit it, mud. Went the whole neighborhood up real quick. Hey man, we made it to Stripes, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the whip, man. Type shit. Y'all see my boy Cam pulled up, bro. There go my dog, man. Finna roll a lot. They got my other dog, man. Yes, sir. That 392 thing, you know what I'm saying? My nigga shit hard, bro. Yes, sir. Finna roll out, man. How we get down, hey man. Hey, Street Legend, man. If y'all don't know it, man, hey, we got one in Bryan College Station in Houston, Texas, bro. Yes, sir. We got new members and shit like that, man. And my boy Cam shit, man, as y'all can see. Boy got this scat, man. 392. With the sunroof, stop playing. Hey, sunroof gang. I already told y'all, man. If this shit got a sunroof, this shit hard, man. Yes, sir, man. Get it roll out. Waiting on a couple more members to pull up down this house, bro. We gonna head out, bro.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later.
I gotta see though. Boy, Wild Body Trey, and then homeboy in the ZL1. You know what I'm saying? Waiting on about 2 more other people to pull up in the hoe. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy Cam in the hoe. Wild Body Trey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Got the ZL1 thing. Got shit going on. Street Legend shit, you know what I'm saying? Got my dogs. Boy Cam again. Got an SS. My other dog. SS Khmer. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow that boy. Come back. This shit hard, bro. Got another Wild Body Charlie. My dog Sosa, man. The Wild Body shit. He did have a banner, but he took his shit off. His shit started peeling, so he just went on with ripped that bitch off. You know what I'm saying? Wild Body. You know what I'm saying? And we got another damn truck in my way. Watch out, gang. You know what I'm saying? Got another ZL1 over here. Got my boy Trey. Wild Body. Scatty. You know what I'm saying? Another 2 things. Yeah, follow my nigga, man. Yeah, sir. That's our team shit. Yeah, man. Shit. See you one thing. Y'all see what's going on? More shit. Type shit. More man. Oh, God. That's that diffuser he got? Oh, shit. That bitch is like it's painted, but I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, shiny,
yeah.
So all he needs is this bitch black out.
Yeah. That tail light shit. Yeah. My boy Cam shit. tap back in with y'all though once we, you know what I'm saying, get to that destination. Man. Yo, YouTube, man, with a touchdown. ATX. You know what I'm saying? Got my guys out here. I ain't gonna lie, this hoe really lit though. You know what I'm saying? I got the cars out here. I'll show y'all some more whips out here, man. Got Hemi gang, car clan and shit. Hemi gang, boy hard. You know what I'm saying? 392 things. Camaros. Got an SS over there, man. Got a Vit. 3 Vits, you know what I'm saying? The old school bit in the front. These how hard. These how hard. You know what I'm saying? Big Ram shit. Got the Chevys over there. I'm talking about. We got our shit over here. Streetlegends, you know what I'm saying? Had to come. Pull up on the board, man. Show some support. You know what I'm saying? Right here. Got my dog Chris, man.
So what's up, baby? Austin, Texas.
Yes, sir. Oh, y'all seen that hoe around, if you haven't, this hoe nasty, man. I'm talking about all these sponsors and shit. What's Instagram right there? I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? About the hardest whip in this hoe, man, you ask me. On bags, this nigga rims go hard, bro. SRT, right bags. You know what I'm saying? Bro got the stick in it, huh? Just bag it. Bitch, it's in no bags, bro. Stock, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. The GTO thing. Yes, sir, man. About everybody out here. The old school Vit, man. It's crazy how people still keep up with them, bro. Them old school Vits, bro. Like running them, bro. So much. Got a little Jag, man, little Jag. You know what I'm talking about? Got another old school for y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie, man, it's a lot of cars here, man. I'm gonna tell y'all over here. Even that hotel right there, man, y'all don't want no smoke with that hoe. So much. Got boosters out here. Another Hemi game, man.
Once again, judging starts between 10:30 and 11. We're gonna be doing judging at 10:30 and 11. Be sure to come up to the booth up in the front.
Shout out to Hemi gang
for your
again,
car.
man.
$20 to register, $12 per barbecue plate.
This green right here go crazy though. This right here tough, man. Got some hoes on 4Gs. Oh Lord. Nah, bro showing up, man. You know what I'm saying? Got some more, man. Got another Hellcat right here with the Hemi game, man. Got another Daytona. You know what I'm saying? Another wide body scat thing. You know what I'm saying? Hemi game, man.
Just a quick update, just to let you know the barbecue plate is going to be served at about 10 o'clock. So be sure to come up to the front, grab your ticket, grab your plate. 10 o'clock, plate is going to be served.
Take y'all, show y'all some more cars. Y'all see the Chevy too. You know what I'm saying? Things sitting low. Let me down here. Check him out. Got this here. Something slightly amazing, man. Got the dog out here. You know what I'm saying? Big dog. Got a Corvette. Got a chopper. Take our boys over here to the Mustang gang. Got two 5.0s over here. The old school 5.0s over here, man. See what's going. Big intake. Ford racing, like to see. See 5.0. Got the black one over here. Another 5.0 down. I got a ball steel too. I seen a Hellcat out here somewhere. Wait, there it is. I'll show y'all this. Oh, it's a Hellcat, man, one time. Got T92, man. I hope it's a Hellcat. Yeah, it is a Hellcat. Thought I was tripping. Got another Hellcat over here, man. It's a SRT. See it? Yes, sir. That boy hard, man. SRT thing got this, man. It's a whole bunch of whips out here, though, man. Got Infinities. Probably not Lexus here, Infinity there. I don't know what them hoes out there called, but I'm pretty sure you got some get up to it too. You know what I'm saying? Infinity hard, man. Lexus. You know what I'm saying? The wide body thing right there. Like I was seeing the Hellcat thing, man. Boy said too hot, man. Probably got another Hellcat fresh out of here. Fresh out of here with it, man. I'm gonna take y'all back to 1700s, 1800s BC, man. Y'all know nothing about these cars, cause I don't even know nothing about it. So I know y'all don't know nothing about it. Unless you just an old head and y'all seen these cars, old names and shit. Yeah, man. That thing nice, man. That yellow thing. Got the middle. Another old school, man. Right now it's so high over here. Yes, sir. I don't know if I want to throw wild body on mine or not, man, but I've been seeing a lot of people, bro, do this. I don't know. You got the older model, you know what I'm saying? And you got a wide body on that thing. Daytona, got a whole bunch of Hellcats out here, man, for sure. Whole bunch of Hellcats. You know what I'm saying? Supercharged. With the sunroof, with the wide body. Hold on, I ain't even see that. I missed it right there. So, got another P92 down, man. I see the good, bro. Got the lights going through my You know what I'm saying? Green rims. Whole club, man. You want some Spider-Man shit, man? You want some Spider-Man shit, man? You know what I'm saying? Just like these seats, real good, man. Go hard. We got another Hellcat, fresh out of hell, man. Awesome, man. 666. Another Hellcat, man. You know what I'm saying? Got 345 tank over here, man. The green outline go hard. With the rim to come with it, bro. Yes, sir. These boys hard, bro. Out here in Austin, bro. These niggas, man. Coming down here, bro, you get a lot of ideas, bro. You know what I'm saying? Gotta come out here, man. You get a lot of ideas, bro. Especially with them Austin boys, bro. They got a little bit more access to, you know what I'm saying, shops and stuff like that. But, bro, we have the same access, man. Just believe, bro. We gotta go out to Houston and all that. Schedule appointments, man. They can wake up and just go any day, man. I'll check them out. We got a little toy car made, bro. For me. There's a whole bunch of cars out here though, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot. Hot as hell. Hold on, before I cut this vid, bro. Nah, we got the littlest car of them all in this. Yes, sir, though. Check it out, man. know this little thing, hey, I won't be surprised this thing got some get up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's real nice, man. Yes, man. Got another fast thing over here. Another little old school. You know what I'm saying? I got some drags on them, man. Drag all the way around. And some of that's fire. Yeah, man, I'm going to put the vid though, man. It's hot. I lied. Hold on, time out. We got another haircut. It's on T. Why about it? You know what I'm saying? Another why about it in this house, man. It's about 10 haircuts in this house, man. Easily. They ain't even making them no more, man. So niggas can grab, man. Niggas can went on here and got theirs while they could. You know what I'm saying? What's up, bro? Alright, daddy, man. Got the broom right there. That's your T-rims. Scat right here. You know what I'm talking about? Man, you know what's crazy? This, I don't think it's the same car, but this car right here, I was thinking about going Challenger, man. And my cousin worked at a dealership, and they had the exact same one, but I don't think it's the same one. They had the exact same one, but this is not the one. At their dealership, man, down there in Houston, man. And I was talking to him about doing a trade-in, man. I think I want to go a coupe. You know what I'm saying? I had the Charger for about 2.5 years already, man, but I don't know, man. I'm feeling, I want to get the feeling of riding in a 2-door, man, instead of the 4-door, but I don't know. It's the exact same car, sunroof and all. I don't want no car if it ain't got no sunroof. That's my biggest pet peeve on any vehicle, man. You can have the ugliest car in the world. If I ain't got a sunroof, bro, I don't want it. But yeah, so this whole love, man. Y'all let me know, man, if I should switch over to a Challenger, man, or not. Stick with the Charger, Challenger, man. Drop in the comments what y'all think, man. And right now, I'm pushing towards it, but I don't know. Somebody been going crazy. Somebody's motorcycle, man. Boy, do the burn out motorcycle. Yes, sir. I got a whole vibe in this house, bro. But hey, them Austin, man, them Austin boys got, hey, them Austin boys got access to everything, bro. Everything. I don't know what it is, but yeah, y'all see it, man. Right. I don't know how the fastest car out here. That's probably the fastest car out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The fastest car out here, man. But that whole loud. You said what, Chris?
Some wild bills here, boy.
Nah, for real, man. I'm telling you. And I know the old school thing over there parked in the corner. That's why I tell you, man, when everybody say they done doing stuff to that car, but you come to a car meet, man, and you steady see, you see more ideas on, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
You see that little yellow Toyota Corolla?
Yeah, I seen. I got a video of
that. 700 horsepower.
Oh, yeah?
Thing, dude.
I'm telling you, never know. There go Cameron, man. Another member of Streetlegends, man. My dog pull up in a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. My dog left at like 8 something. And it took like an hour and a half to get here, man. He made it in like hour 15, hour to be exact. Yes, sir. My dog got the Hellcat too, man. Y'all know what I'm saying? Hellcat rims on that. Yes, sir. Shout out to my dog Cam, man. Fucking Magna. But yeah, man, it's a whole bunch of money. That's all it is, bro. Money. All these cars out here is about 40K, 50K by itself. And niggas put an extra 10, 20 under the hood and all that with lights, wheels, all that good stuff, man. If a nigga got money out here, bro.
First off,
They got money out here in Austin. Got another vid. Telling y'all, we been seeing these vids. Hellcat, man. Yes, sir. Got a scatty thing. I'm talking about. Nah, that right there clear too though. Big Ben. Man, it's got that V8. Another V8 Cadillac. I want, bro. Money. Money, bro. That's all it is, it's money. Believe me when I say it. We got that drop top porch thing. I'm talking about foreign shit. Whole lot of foreign stuff going on too. Bro, so many vehicles out here, bro. We got an Aaron's truck out here, bro. An Aaron's truck Ford out here, bro. We not playing. Got a Penske truck rental, bro. Like, bro, you ain't playing, bro. Them hoes will get on y'all. Any car you got, it will get on y'all ass. Nah, this right here go hard though. You know what I'm saying? 1923 Ford C-Cal. Oh Lord. Y'all see the horsepower, man. 396. Yes, sir. I just gave y'all the whole rundown on everything he got done to his car. The whole list. I see you got C-Cab on his little man. DFD. Yes, sir. So, hey, they gotta chill, man. These Vipers go crazy. These Vipers go crazy, man. Big TA. TA Viper, man. I know that thing fast, man.
That's why some
Yeah.
once you get up in the RV,
Whole lot of cars, bro. Too many cars. I know he got flamethrowers in here. He gotta have a flamethrower right here. Another SS thing right here. You know what I'm saying? Hoping I read this shit right here while I ride it down here. Yes, sir. Check them out. Big lift kit. I'm telling y'all, hey, for anybody that like cars, bro, you come to a car meet. You look at the right stuff, man, the right vehicles, man, you will swear up and down you done with your car, bro. Until you come to a car meet, you see a whole bunch of other people with other shit you probably never seen before. You be like, damn, like, I'm gonna go that route. I ain't saying copy nobody, but you will be like, I got an idea, you know what I'm saying? I got that bass in there, man. Yes, sir. You got an Audi, y'all see the thing, man. Y'all see what the thing say, bro. Y'all see what it say. Not a V6, not a V8. V what 10? What? V10. Yes, sir. What? Nah, man. V10 is crazy. V10 is outrageous crazy. Somebody. Yeah, hotel right here too, man. I tell y'all, people put money into their cars, bro. People put money into their cars. 9 times out of 10, it be a whole bunch of older people, bro. Like a little bit of old head, like, you know what I'm saying? You got that drop top thing again, the drop top Porsche, man. So much. I don't know, man. Y'all hitting these Porsches, man.
like old school, bro.
V6, bro.
That or fucking
V6, you represent.
I used to be the Corvette killer.
So Corvette killer? Hold on, sir. that'll be a wrap for that Comey though, man. We finna head back to the crib out, man. Got my boy Trey in the cut. Got my boy Sosa in the cut. Got my boy Cam in the cut. Yeah, man, finna head back to the crib though, bro. Everybody gassing up and shit. Finna head back to the crib out, man.